guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm going to do a review or first impressions review on the Avon Perfectly Matte lipsticks. So I got them from a friend of mine, which is an Avon lady, and her name is Giselle. Hi Sel, if you're watching, thank you so much for delivering the lipstick right away para ma-review ko siya. So if you're interested, guys, keep on watching. So what I'm looking for in a lipstick is, I have my list here actually. So the lipstick should be smooth in application, blends on the lips really smoothly, and also non-drying coverage, and it should be comfortable sa lips, diba? Who doesn't want that in a lipstick? So I got two shades. One is P101 Mauve Matters and P204 Superb Wine. So I got lighter shade for daytime and also darker shade for nighttime. And Avon pala has a promo or sale going on. This actually retails for $399 each. So medyo mahal siya, diba? Pero as I've done some research, and ang dami kong narinig na magandang reviews regarding the Perfectly Matte lipstick line from Avon. And yung promo nila ngayon, it's going on. Nag-start siya noong September 1. And parang I'm not sure, pero parang 300 plus na lang yung isang lipstick. And then, you get the other one for only 1 pesos. Or peso. 1 peso na lang. Or piso na lang. So, you get parang buy one take one na siya. And also, you get a parang 100 peso discount. Supposedly, 399 pesos. 300. O parang ganon, 100 peso discount, you get 2 lipsticks. So without further ado, let's open them, and so that I can swatch them on my hand, the back of my hand, and on my lips. So let's start to open the lighter shade, which is the Mauve Matters. Ayan. Uy, ano pala siya? Ang mga nakalagay sa kanya, here is, let me just read what it says sa kanyang packaging before ko siya sirain. It says, introducing Perfectly Matte Lipstick, the new generation of matte lipstick. Now a 100% matte look with lasting comfort. Hour after hour, formula never cakes, cracks, or compromises on matte finish. And it says here to use glide over lips. And let me see the ingredients. Kung meron siyang paraben. I don't see any paraben. Parang wala. I think it's paraben free. So let's open it up. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. It's just a very simple black packaging, plastic, and sa baba, makikita nyo yung kanyang shade, which is Mauve Matters. Yeah, doesn't really focus, but I'm still doing it. Pero yan na kanyang shade. I'm so excited. Uy, parang ang hirap ng i-open. Yan. And matte din ang kanyang dito sa loob. Matte. And it smells really good. And meron din nakalagay na Avon, naka-engrave na Avon sa actual lipstick bullet. And it smells like gummy bears or candy. So let's swatch this sa ating arm na lang siguro, no? Ooh. Ayan. So yung shade na Mauve Matters, para siyang combination of pink and red. Ano siya, parang rosy. So, here's how it looks like sa aking lips, guys. And oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this lipstick right away. Kasi, grabe guys. Matte talaga siya and it really glides on my lips really smoothly. And, ang ganda-ganda pa ng kanyang shade. Again, this is in the shade Mauve Matters. Super secure ng kanyang packaging, guys. I'm going to close it, ha. Ayan, di ba? Hindi ka matatakot na, ma-open or, ma-open siya bigla sa yung bag. And then, di ba? Ayaw mo yun, di ba? Tingnan nyo. Ayan. So secure. And I like the matte finish here sa kanyang, sa loob. Para siguro, for added security na rin sa kanyang packaging. So, ang bilis din niyang matanggal, guys. I used the Pure Derm Argan Oil Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. And let's just open the second one. This is in the shade Superb Wine. I'm expecting it to be parang, ka-shade ng sa Maybelline na Divine Wine. Kasi, diba? Superb Wine, Divine Wine. So, yun talaga yung papasok agad sa isip mo, di ba, na ka-shade siya ng wine. So, again, let's open it up. Ayan, di ba? Hindi ka talaga matatakot na let's see, I'm so excited. So, let's compare this. Uy, parang na-erase yun. For in a matte lipstick. Number one, smooth application. Yes, definitely smooth. So that's a plus kasi walang tagging na naganap pag-apply ko kanina. Second, the blendability. Yes, that's a plus again because it really blends on my lips kanina really smoothly. Applied on really smoothly. Mako-compare ko siya sa creamy mattes ng Maybelline, but more on the matte side. Kasi sa Maybelline, may pa siya konting sheen pa siya, which is compared, whereas the Avon Perfectly Matte Lipstick is matte na matte talaga siya. Yeah, as you can see, walang shine na ganap. And third, non-drying. I'll just, update you guys na lang sa description box kasi hindi ko pa siya kailangan pa kasi siya talagang i-test kung gaano siya katagal sa aking lips and also if it's non-drying. Fourth is the coverage. As you can see naman, it covers the true color of my lips. As I mentioned sa aking mga videos, ang lips ko, ang outer corner na aking lips is dark. And I'm really looking for a lipstick that covers that. So, as you can see naman, na-cover niya really nicely. And I really like this shade. And the last and fifth one is comfortability, or if it's comfortable. Yes, it is really comfortable on the lips. It's like I'm wearing lipstick, but it feels like I'm not, kasi hindi siya heavy, very lightweight. So, bottom line is, guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Go to Avon. They're on sale right now, pero hindi ito sponsored at all. I just fell in love with their Perfectly Matte lipstick. Love at first sight, kumbaga, or love at first swipe, kasi, di ba, lipstick nga siya. So, yeah, their sale is ongoing. It's like buy one, take one, and then mas lesser pa ang price, di ba? So, again, so guys, if you have comments, suggestions, or requests, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like and click the subscribe button para naman ma-update kayo sa aking mga uploads. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, my name is Yvonne, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!